AC is the same as ABC. You know what I mean? The same line. But of course, 3 points in the same line. And then we have two methods. B. Okay. B. Okay. Yeah. How about DC? Is DC a sizable what? ABC. Yes or no? No. Yes, of course not. This is not a matter. Okay? Okay, now which line segment is the longer? Okay, by observation. What do we mean by observation? We will have okay, right. Okay. So obvious. Anyone know the answer? If you don't believe it, okay. Anybody don't believe it? This is the answer. Here is the ruler. Check whether it is longer. You know what I mean? Observation is just you look at it, right? It may not be right answer, right? Of course. You need to check, to verify using other methods, using a ruler method. Okay. We will go to the next part. Okay, angle. Okay. So we have talked about line. A line has a lot of points in the middle, right? And of course we want to focus on a part of line. We just pick 2 points and then we equate a set of points. And now let's talk about angle. An angle has 3 points. Okay, I think you have done it in primary school. Lost. So the angle lies between 0 degree and 36 degrees. Okay, that I think this is just what you have learned in primary school. A circle, right? 360 degrees means a circle. Okay. So it must be between 0 degree and 36 degrees. Okay, a straight line. What do we mean a straight line? You remember? You have just discussed. Okay, raise your hand. In Chinese we call 16. Okay, 16. Okay, 16都係同時都係叫你學嘅。Also an angle, or straight angle. Okay. What's the degree? 180 degrees. Okay. So a triangle, just like a circle, 360 degrees. Simple enough? Okay, let me go to another. Okay, so types of angle. Depending on the value of the angle, we define we classify the angle into different types, 6 types. Okay? The first 3, I think you have learned in primary school. Of course the Chinese, right? The Chinese angle, can you guess what's the name in Chinese? That's very good. Right angle? Okay, up to the angle. Yes, that's in primary school, right? And you still remember and not forget the name. That's good. So, 3 more kinds of angle we are going to discuss. We discussed on straight line or straight angle, reflex angle. You see that? Okay, just look at this. A right angle. Okay. So, how do we think of angles? I think in primary school you just let's say you have angle B here, you just name it as angle B, right? Or you haven't learned this kind of thing? You have learned something like that, but not in this way, right? Okay, so suppose we want to name this angle, we call it ABC, and this is the angle side, means angle ABC. If we put away this side, we just forget. We may think that we are just talking about line segment or line. Okay? This angle side is very important. We are talking about this angle, not the line. And we put this side here. And if we want to talk about the reverse angle, the right angle, for the blue one. Then you can put a rest here instead to tell that it is a reflex angle, not a acute angle or acute angle. And that's one more important thing. For every angle, there must be a reflex angle. What do you mean? That means if we have a opposite angle, let's say, acute angle, let's say here, and then here, there must be a reflex angle. The other is 360 degrees. Okay. However, you cannot get what I mean. That's right. Okay. Okay. This is one method to measure the angle. And here is another. This method is simpler. We just put a symbol for the angle directly. We don't know about the point or line. Just let's say this blue angle, the vertical on this side is quick letter. Not in the letter, this is quick letter. Okay, that's all for the reflex angle. Because obviously, you are talking about different things, so you can add theta. Just like you don't like these two circles, okay, you will use other. Or you can use English letter. Okay, to try that. Okay, try this again. So I think most of you have learned in primary school, right? Yeah. So and we don't discuss. Okay, now go for the test. If you are not sure how to use the circle or you have something some important thing in primary school, you may go to this lesson. I'm trying to do after this lesson. Okay, so here's an activity. Now, I will ask you to give me one of these angles. I call the number. Okay, today is 15. Okay, 16. Is that right? Okay, give me an acute angle. Acute angle. Do you know what acute angle? 100 and... No, use your hand or use your arm. Okay. Is this acute angle? No, this is a short angle. Okay? Short angle. Okay? Okay, you pick a number. 32. 32. Number 2 here? Oh, 1 here. 30. 30. Okay, number 8 here? Okay. Keep your right hand. Use your arm. Yes, please. Pick a number. Pick a number. 13. Next one. Opposite angle.